Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so here are the possible reasons para favorable variable overhead efficiency variance include. So this include, let the first one is uh, workers are workers are more skillful, right? Workers are more skillful, right? And in using workers are more helpful, are more skillful in using machines than budgeted. In using machines than budgeted, right? And the second one is production scheduler was able. So production scheduler was able to schedule better jobs better than budgeted, right? Budgeted. So resulting in lower resulting in lower than budgeted machines base, right? Our budgeted machine hours, right? And here is the third one also. So a third one is machines operated with pure so operated machines operated with pure slowdown, right? Slowdowns with pure slowdowns then budgeted, right? All right, and here is a fourth one, machine time standards were overlay lenient, right? So these are the reasons para favorable variable overhead efficiency variance in the include, right?